A spirit bear, a white variant of the black bear. This female has fished for salmon here for 20 years. Get your timing right, and there can be great rewards. In her youth, she was, in fact, even more successful than the black bears. Her fishing skills, however, haven't totally deserted her. This female has an unusual relationship with the forest. Every fish carcass she leaves behind decays, releasing nutrients that soak into the soil. And there they are collected by a network of fungi. And nutrients from the fish collected by the fungi are then passed on to the trees. And some trees here become as tall as any in the world, and provide spirit bears with a healthy forest home.